Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX 12. This is the detail drawing you can download from the cadcam.com. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create the bone part of this feature. So create extrude, select XY plane. Then we create a rectangle. Make dimension constraint. Sorry. Length 120. Here 40 and the length 90. Finish. The distance 15. Okay. Next we need to create the two ball sketch. Extrude, select XZ plane. And we need create a line, add arc, dimension 120, and this line this midpoint onto the line. And we need create a line at the reference. The angle 60. Convert to reference. Next we need add the toe this 9mm to hand back. I'll finish. Console. Yes. Next we need select surface and tuber. Tangent curves this. The diameter is 60. Unit. Okay. Next we need to create this side feature. So back home, extrude, select this face and create circle, constrain center point onto curves. Next, make dimension 50 and the diameter 40. We need to create rectangle. Dimension 12. Middle point onto this and select this line, convert to reference. Finish. Sorry. We need trim the sketch. Finish. Reverse direction. Until next and unit. Okay. Next we need to create this. Select this face and create a circle, dimension 110, finish, distance 12, Boolean unit. Okay. Next we need to create these two pads on the tube. So extrude, select this XY plane. Then we need change the view on here. Wireframe with edge. Oh no. Static with edge. Next create a line. Oh sorry. This point onto the line. Make dimension. This pointer onto the arc. Dimension is 13 plus 9 millimeter. Okay. The angle. Sorry. We need to create reference. Edit the angle 20. Okay, finish. The distance, we find a 13.2. So symmetrical value, and need offset symmetrical Boolean unit. Okay. Next edge blend 5 millimeter. Select this full edge. Okay. Next we need create this edge blend pad 15. Okay. And create this pocket feature. So extrude, select this face and create a rectangle. Constrain midpoint onto X. The dimension 70. Finish. The distance 3 millimeter. Boolean subject. Okay. Next we need chamfer. Select these two edge 3 millimeter. Okay. Next we need to create this center tube. So the center tube dimension is surface tube and come back center wireframe this 50 subject. Okay. Perfect. Next we need to create the path hole and his hole. So hole. This hole. Now simple continental bolt. C bolt diameter is 18. The deep 8 mm. This diameter 11. Select this. Okay, finishing it. Next we need to create these two holes. Select this, actually select this face, and create consider center point on center point on the A. $10 mm, and this point, middle, finish, reverse the direction, slow on. Okay. Next we create this hole and this hole. This hole is 25. The hole simple 25. Select this and until next. Okay. And create this hole. We need to select this. This center, create a line as a reference, and this point onto the line. Finish. We need continental C bolt diameter is 80, deep 6, and the hole 10 mm. Okay, nice. Next we need to create this hole. So actually select this face and create a hole. This point on Y and the distance 14.5. The diameter 8 mm. Finish. Reverse the direction and until next. Okay. Next we need select extrude and partner feature. Circle action point. Okay. Perfect. Next we need to create this pocket feature. So here, radius 2 mm. Revolve, select XZ plane. Next we need intersection codes. Select this face. We get this line and convert it to reference. Sorry, we need add a line. Convert this surface. We get these codes. Okay, and raise convert the reference. Next, we create a circle. Make dimension the point on 8mm and 4mm. Finish. Select this face as the vector and point. We select center. Boolean subject. Okay. Oh, nice. Next, we need to create the edge blend 3mm. Okay. Okay, we finished the part. Is chamfer 1mm. We need to change the appearance yellow. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.